Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to auto crosspod threads into Instagram. If you want every post on threads to also show up on Instagram automatically, Meta built in a simple toggle. So step 1, open the threads app. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Next, tap the two lines in the top right and then choose for privacy. And then what you're gonna do is find automatically share posts to Instagram option, and then when you see your automatically share post on Instagram, sometimes called auto crossport, toggle it on and then make a quick post on thread and it should instantly appear. You can turn this off anytime in the same way if you only want certain posts to crosspot. Safety tip: if you manage multiple Instagram accounts, double check which account is linked before posting, otherwise your threads content may go to the wrong account. Quick fix: if the option doesn't appear, update both threads and Instagram to the latest version by going to the app store and then search for threads and then see if there's an update button available, and you'll see Instagram here and see if there's an update button available once you have updated your app. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.